Here I have VIVO Y11s, and today I'm going to show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to the system section, next to the language and input, languages, add a language. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian. And what you have to do next to set Ukrainian language as your system language, you have to drag it on the first place, and the language will be changed automatically. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, Система, Мова та ведення, Мови, and drag English on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.